मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ए वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन। मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ए वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन। इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन। ऐ वतन ऐ वतन ऐ वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन। मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ऐ वतन। ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ದೇಶಭಕ್ತಿ ಗೀತೆಯನ್ನ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ, ಇಂಥ ದೇಶಭಕ್ತಿ ಗೀತೆಗಳನ್ನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಾದ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಬೇಕು, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಅನ್ವಯಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಅವರ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಪ್ರೈಡ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ SLC ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ to my short social science video class. Okay students, today we are going to learn about most important lesson from history, chapter number 3, the impact of British rule in India. Examination point of view very important, because from this lesson ask 1 and 3 marks question answers. Let us come, look here written easy points. You should write and or note down all these points or answers. Okay students, let us first MCQ or fill the blanks, 1 mark questions. Look here, first one, Diwani Adalat in civil court was introduced by dash. Answer is Warren Hastings. Look here, second question, the post of superintendent of police was created by dash. Answer, Lord Cornwallis. Third one, look here, the British officer who supported modern education in India is dash. Answer, Warren Hastings. Fourth, 1 mark question, who brought civil service in administration? Answer, Lord Cornwallis. Listen here, fifth, who was the first Governor General of British India? Answer, Warren Hastings. Sixth question, look here, who implemented the efficient police system in India? Answer, Lord Cornwallis. Seventh one, very important examination point of view. See, why was Fort William College opened in Calcutta? See, remember, Fort William College opened by Lord Cornwallis. But question is here, why was Fort William College opened? Look here, answer, for the benefit aspiring to join civil services. These are all very important 1 mark questions, and you should read textbook. There is more information and more answers are there. Question and answers are there. Okay students, let us come very important 3 mark questions. See, first one, explain the judicial system formulated East India Company, or explain judicial system during British administration. See, here it is simple points. Once again I will tell you, note down please. Okay, first point, they introduced new judicial system. Second, 2 courts were established. Third, a Diwani Adalat, a civil court. Fourth one, a Faujdar Adalat, a criminal court. Fifth, Hindus were dispensed justice as per the Hindu scriptures. Hindu scriptures. Look here, sixth, Muslims as per the Shariat. Next, seventh, the British legal procedures were introduced. Eighth, look here, civil codes under European officers. Ninth, carefully listen, look here, see, criminal codes under in Kajis. These are all very important points about judicial system. Look here, next, what are the measures undertaken at the time of British in police system? Explain explain efficient police system during British administration in India. Look here, students. First point, very important, 1 mark also. This is Lord Cornwallis implemented police system. See, sometimes who implemented efficient police system in India? See, same answer, Lord Cornwallis. See, first point. Second point, he created new post SP. SP means Superintendent of Police. Third point, divided a district into many stations. Fourth, every station under a kotwal. Fifth point, every village under the chowkidar. Next, sixth point, police system came under British officer. Seventh point, the police law was implemented. These are all changes during police system, during British administration. Third one, very important examination point of view. Look here, question, make a list of the effect of British education in India. Sometimes same question asked like, look here, how did English education play a role, bring new awareness among Indians? Or impact of English education, British education, or results of English education in India. These are all different type of questions, but answer here written simple points. Again, I will tell you, note down or write down these points. Very easy points. See, first point, developed modernity. Second point, developed democratic attitude. Third point, local literature developed. Fourth point, local language developed. Next, fifth point, started newspapers. Sixth point, reform movement started. Seventh point, influenced the freedom movement. Eighth point, new thinking class emerged. Ninth point, understand rich traditions. These are all effect of English education, modern education, British education in India. And also, most probable questions from this lesson. Look here, students. Explain development in English education. Fifth, what are the measures undertaken at the time of British in military system? Same, in civil service system, explain about civil service system. These are all very important question answers from this lesson. Okay, students, you should write. These are all points. Write again and again. Write, read, write, etc. Okay, because examination point of view, very important this lesson. And after watch this video, please you share this video, because ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕಲಿಯಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬೆಳೆಯಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗಲಿ. So these points, very simple and easy points, very helpful for slow learners and average students and OSC students. Okay, ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಶಾಲೆಯಿಂದ ಹೊರಗುಳಿದ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಧಾನಗತಿ ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಸರಾಸರಿ ಕಲಿಕೆಯ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ SSLC ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಎನ್ರೋಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡೇಟ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, we will meet in the next class with the next lesson. God bless you. All the best.